There you go, yeah. Come on, shake it. Shake it, yeah. There you go. Come on, put this hand. Put this hand right there.
You pole dancing? Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Whoa. Okay, you got it? You got it? Yeah. There you go, yeah.
Shake it, buddy. Yeah, shake it. I need to get.
You're gonna make some girl really happy. Yeah.
Stevie said that earlier too. I was like, why? He goes, he knows how to move his pelvic area. I was like, aw, don't say that.
Come on.
Do I need to put on my Showgirls soundtrack?
Whoa. Swing around a little too fast, everybody.
Can you dance? Dance for us.
He's holding himself up.
That's all him?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hello, who says everybody?
There we go. Hi.
Whoa.
It's kind of like that scene from that movie where she was trying to do the pole thing and she lost grip.
What? Dun, dun. All right, come on. Oh, come on. There you go.
Actually, sit him down and see if he'll reaches for the pole.
Okay.
Let him pull himself up. He wants it. Good job, buddy.
Yeah. That's the way. I like it. Oh yeah. Come on. He's like, damn it, you're in the way.
Sebastian. Hey, Sebastian. There you go. Don't hump the pole. Wow. Sorry, I started shaking.
I love you. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, yeah. Take it. Take it. Oh, that's so wrong. I'm sorry.
Hey.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Chippendales, here I come. Yeah, okay.